Why is a bird a bird? Why is a bird a bird? All birds lay eggs, but so do fish and frogs. Spider and turtle lay eggs. So do snakes and crocodiles. They aren't birds. All birds have wings, but some birds can't fly. An ostrich can't fly. Penguins have wings, but they can't fly. They are birds that swim. Most other birds can fly, but so can bats and bees. There is a fish that can fly. A flying fish isn't a bird. All birds have beaks, but so does an octopus. Tortoises have beaks too, but they aren't birds. Most birds build nests, but so do mice and ants. Wasps build nests too, but they aren't birds. All birds have 2 legs, but so do gorillas and bats. People have 2 legs, but we aren't birds. All birds have feathers. Some animals have fur. Some other animals have hair. Some animals have scales, but no other animal have feathers. Why is a bird a bird? It has feathers. The end.